The All Progressives Congress, APC, has suffered a major setback as the 2019 Delta State House of Assembly candidate of the All Progressives Congress, APC for Barutu Constituency 2, Chief Perez Oloy, and the 2019 General APC Coordinator and present Publicity Secretary of the party in Delta South Senatorial District, Mr. Agadi Agbor, led over 1,000 of their supporters to join the People's Democratic Party, PDP. Declaring for the PDP at Tuomo Town in Barutu local government area of the state at a well-attended meeting of the PDP, Oloy surrendered his broom, the symbol of the APC, to the leadership of the PDP, saying they were pioneer members of the PDP before they left for the APC in 2018. Describing their return to the PDP as a homecoming of sorts, he said, "I left for the APC in the interest of the Ijaw Nation and in search of greener pastures and adventure, but I found out that the APC in Delta State is grossly anti-Ijaw. No Delta Ijaw person is considered good for any appointment. All appointments made were given to other tribes, and it seems there is no future for us who are Ijaw people in the party, in addition to endless infighting and intractable internal disunity in the state chapter of the party. So, I have decided to return to my original home, the PDP." On his part, Mr. Angadi Otutu Agbor, who also addressed the mammoth crowd after giving up his broom, said, "The PDP is my original party where I was their public announcer, master of ceremony since its inception in 1998 till I left in 2018 for the APC for personal reasons. This return, though a very difficult decision for me, is a homecoming for me." The APC's inability to provide the platform for inclusive participation for all in Delta State, especially as it affects the Delta Ijaw interest and sustained internal conflicts, needless factions, tendencies, and lack of vision to provide democratic dividends at all levels for the betterment of Nigerians, etc., are reasons for my decision to realign with the PDP once again. The sickening ethnic bias against the Delta Ijaw people is worrisome and a killjoy, to say the least. Thus, in summary, I can say without hindsight that my involvement in the APC, in the first place, was a misadventure, but the experience is worth it, though. Receiving Chief Perez Oloy, Mr. Agadi Agbor, and their supporters on behalf of the state leadership of the party, chairman of the PDP in Barutu local government area, Mr. Ibike Oramani, expressed joy at the return of the duo and their followers back to the party, disclosing that the party in the area had sleepless nights in the past, because of the activities of these two men in the opposition. Pointing out that Chief Perez Oloy and Mr. Agadi Agbor have PDP in their DNA, Oramani said, "You are welcome back home, and we are happy today that you are finally back. In fact, we had put the state chairman Olorogun Kingsley Esiso and the Delta Senatorial District chairman, Chief Julius, take me on notice about your return to the party, and they are both excited about it. Both of you, Chief Perez Oloy and Mr. Angadi Otutu Agbor, were missed by the party, but thank God you both have retraced your steps back to the party, and so be assured of equal treatment with other party members, as you will be accorded all privileges available in the party and you will not be treated as newcomers. So I receive you with open arms back to the PDP."